How you can fix crashes in Battlefield 6. First, go to your desktop icon or open the EA app where Battlefield 6 is located. Click on Manage, then select View Properties. Next, click Open Folder. Once the folder opens, find the BF6 file, right-click on it, choose Show More Options and open Properties. Now adjust the settings as follows. Enable Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and set it to Windows 8. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, then OK. Before closing, copy the folder path by right-clicking and selecting Copy. Now, open your computer's search bar and type Graphics Settings. Click Add Desktop App, then paste the path you copied earlier. Find Battlefield 6, click Add, and then expand it. Under GPU Preference, set it to High Performance. For optimizations for windowed games, you can leave that turned on. And that's it.